Hi everyone. In this video I will explain you how to participate the MemePad IDO platform. To participate the MemePad IDO platform you have to buy the meme token. You can buy the meme token from the PancakeSwap, Gate and MXC Global. There are three types of tier structure. First tier is plug. We have to stake 10,000 MemePad token. The guarantee allocation, yes. The pool weight is 10%. Second tier structure is Chand. Total token you have to stake 69 MePad token. The pool weight is 100 and guarantee allocation, yes. Third tier structure we have to stake 4,20,000 MePad token. Let's check the price, current price. To participate in the first tier structure we have to stake 10,000 token. The current price is $826. To second tier structure near about $5,700. To participate in third tier structure near about $34,000. You can buy the MePad token from the PancakeSwap, Gate and MXC. After the buying MePad token, we have to click the enter application. Enter application, you have to connect your wallet from the MetaMask and select on the MePad IDO pool. Click on the enable, approve. Just click approve, connect your wallet and stake your MemePad token. They are very simple step. Current project is Thrive, Valhalla Tools, Memes and Flockyform. This 4 project is already announced. Let's check previous scenario of the MemePad token. Elon Dodge done 272x, Meme War near about done 194x, upcoming Tribe, Flockyform, Valhalla Tools and Memes. Yes, upcoming is project is Tribe, Valhalla Tools, Memes and Flockyform. Meme was already done 194x, GoTeam done near about 157x, Matic launch near about done 110x, and Elon Dodge done near about 272x. After the staking the token, we have to click on the Thrive, and a very simple process to participate the MemePad IDO. Let's discuss first upcoming project is Thrive. Thrive is the NFT launchpad on the Binance Smart Chain. Exclusive sale for the Thrive community launching in the MemePad soon. Thrive near about 11,000 people is already following, and listing is 12. I think it's 12 November. Yeah, you can participate in MemePad IDO just taking very small amount like 10,000 token. The price is near about 8,036. Thank you for watching this video.